buddy, no! Ripped. Oh, that was gnarly. Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I'm with my new Arrma Gorgon. The reason I'm here is because I want to try testing it out in the ball field to see if any sand or grit gets in the gears, because a lot of these cars, sometimes the newer style ones, they get like a lot of grit in the gears through the casing. They pass through. So usually with my old Tamayas, you're always safe in the ball field. A lot of times with the new stuff, sometimes you do get some grit in there. So we're gonna rip it through the ball field and see what happens. See how this beauty does. It's cool looking. There she goes. Oh! This is on 2S. Runs really good, handles really good too. Arrma got something here with this one. Everyone who's seen it thought, oh man, what did they do? What did they make? Just a regular two-wheel drive monster truck. Well, it's been doing good with all the YouTubers. Thing's awesome. Handles much better than a Stampede. Watch this. Oh, not the best of a wheelie, but I tried. Seems to be handling it really good. Nothing seems to be slowing it down. It even hits this big rut here like a sponge. Let's see. There's like a big rut here, a gorge from the water. It just goes right through it. Like nothing. The brakes on this thing are really powerful. Let's see what it does on the grass. Goes like nothing. take it somewhere else. So far it sounds like it didn't get no sand in it at all. I'll have to check it. Whoa, doing wheelies. I'll have to check it when I'm finished. Let's see what the motor feels like. Oh, on the other side. Take two, let's see what the motor feels like. I have my finger on the top. It's alright. It ain't too hot and it ain't too cold. You could put a fan on it. Whoa. Oh, I got some air. Woohoo! Come on, Gorgon! Woo! Nice. We could get up here. Oh! I flipped it, dang it. Walk of shame. Alright, let's see. Come down it now. There goes nothing. Oh! Yeah, I came down alright. This thing's good. I like it. Oh! Had to let off the gas because I didn't want to hit me. It was coming straight for me. Try that again. Oh! Little nose diving. It must hit the ramp funny that way. Whoa! Looks like you want to put maybe some of the spacers a little bit in the front shock so it don't tilt. You can see it tilts. Whoa! Probably have to let off to get that. Yep, that works like a beauty. See it again from the side. Holy crow, what am I hitting here? It's not too much of a jump. Oh. Oh, that was gnarly. Whoa, I just knocked myself out. All right, that was fun. I'm gonna check if there's any grit in these gears because I rode it on a softball field. Let's see if I hear anything. I don't hear anything. That's a good sign. Try this way. Nope. Perfectly clear gears. That's awesome. So you don't have to worry about grit getting in this beauty. Yeah, I think a little bit of the, if you get the front and add just one of them little shock spacers to make it a little bit stiffer in the front, I think it'll work better. But other than that, it's a beauty. Does wheelies and everything. On 2S, that is. The suspension works really good, guys. There's like holes here and roots I'm hitting. It soaks it up really good. Watch. Awesome. Oh, that I hit the cement. Let me see. Oh, look at the body. No, ripped. That's the weak point on this thing. I seen guys ripping the body. So that's one weak point on this. Well, I did hit this. It's not too bad, but the body does feel thin. Damn, I'm pissed. Brand new and I ripped the body. Anyhow, it's a good truck. Runs great. Guess you shouldn't be jumping up tar walls, but I didn't hit that hard. I just tumbled it in it. Oh. I have to say, out of all I've seen about this truck here, the body is the weak point. It's really thin and like it tears. A lot of people I've seen tear this. Other than that, I like it. Everything works great on it. Handles really good. Don't get dirt in it. So there you have it. My run of my new Gorgon, now trashed body Gorgon. Anyway, it was fun, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it as always. If you liked the video, leave me a thumbs up, all that good stuff to help the channel out. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you watching. I'm gonna have to goop that beauty with some tape behind it, and I'll see you next time.